Hello and welcome back to Double R Vlogs. Today we're on Harborne High Street. It's a nice clean place. It's very nice. But our main purpose of visiting was this grandfather. Let's have a look inside. So the food's just arrived. Look at that chicken. Them wings look amazing. This is a kid's meal. And look at that combo meal. That's doner, chicken doner and lamb doner. The food from here is delicious. This is a doner spring roll. It's the tastiest thing on the planet. I'm not even joking. And look at that. I think the food has defeated him. I think he's done. Look at that chicken. Look how juicy it is. Yep, highly recommend this place. So that food was delicious. But it has defeated us, so takeaway box it is. But honestly, you get so much for your money. It's delicious. So yeah, we just simply couldn't finish anything. But anyway, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.